to my channel. Today we have another recipe for you for Fun Food Friday. And today is a little bit different. It's not only 2 or 3 ingredients, but it is a super simple summer recipe. And we just take some ingredients and we cut them up and we put them in these pitas, and it's fun for the kids. And if you are low carb, like me and my husband, then you just leave the pitas aside and you can put it over lettuce or eat it just as it is. So I'm so excited to show you this recipe, and then we have a fun little bonus dessert at the end. Stay tuned. All you do is chop up all the ingredients. You can use turkey, ham, salami, pepperoni, any cheeses you want. So we used pepperoni and salami, and I just cubed them, avocado, I used sharp cheddar and pepper jack, and then I used a bag of coleslaw that just spilled everywhere. But you can use cut up broccoli, cut up carrots, however you want to make it. And then I add red onions in, and so we're gonna take that and we're gonna add in, there's no exact measurements, whatever you want. I'm gonna take 2 big scoops of mayo and squirt in a little bit of mustard. And then on the top, I'm gonna do a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and some pepper, and we're just gonna mix it all together until it's all coated. All right, so here it is all mixed up, and then my husband and our oldest son like to put sriracha all over it in their pita, and so you're just gonna take your pitas and stuff it. So I will show you, and then me and my husband just eat it by itself. There is the finished product, and then you can add whatever else you want, like hot sauce, and that's what we will give to the kids. Okay, so that is our pita recipe. It looks super good, and I wanted to share, if you are low carb, they have these Mission Tortillas Carb Balance. It's 3 net carbs for the whole wheat, and you can also wrap it in here and it would be a low carb meal. And now for dessert. So we have done these on my channel before, back in spring, but I'm gonna show you again just the finished product because they're so easy to make. You can use red or green grapes, and then you're gonna sprinkle on some sugar-free Jell-O. So your Jell-O doesn't have to be sugar-free, but this is the lemon, and here is the sugar-free strawberry. And so all I do is rinse the grapes. You can put all the grapes in a bag and then pour in and shake, or you can just dump it on. And these are called glitter grapes, and it tastes like you're eating candy. So if you have the grapes and you're using the sugar-free, it's a much better option, clearly, but you can also do not sugar-free. And we like to mix the flavors because it tastes like a Sour Patch Kid, but as soon as I put these out, they will be gone. So just another little dessert for you or summer treat. I hope you loved our recipe. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. We would love to hear from you. We'll see you soon.